Let's get straight to the heart of the matter. Every company, regardless of its size or industry, inevitably faces a crucial choice, a fork in the road that will define its trajectory. Open or closed ecosystem. It's a fundamental decision with far-reaching implications. It's a strategic dilemma, much like picking between a classic Land Rover, where anyone with a bit of know-how and the right tools can tinker with the engine and customize it to their liking, or opting for a high-tech supercar, sleek and powerful, but where only the factory-trained technicians, armed with proprietary tools, can diagnose and fix any issues. An ecosystem, in the business context, is essentially everything connected to your business. Your products, the tangible outputs of your efforts, your customers, the lifeblood of your organization, your partners, the collaborators who extend your reach, and your developers, the architects of your digital landscape. So the question becomes, do you build a wall around your ecosystem, meticulously controlling every detail and aspect, or do you open the gates, fostering collaboration and allowing others to contribute their unique talents and perspectives? This fundamental decision profoundly shapes your growth trajectory, influences your brand perception, and ultimately determines your future success. Over the course of this discussion, we'll break down the core elements that make both open and closed systems tick, examining their strengths and weaknesses. We'll delve into real-world examples, showcasing companies that have successfully implemented each approach. And ultimately, we'll explore why this seemingly simple choice holds such immense strategic importance for your organization. So, without further ado, let's dive in and unravel the complexities of open versus closed ecosystems. The open ecosystem is like a massive festival, a vibrant celebration of collaboration and innovation. Imagine a space where everyone is welcome to contribute, to share their ideas, and to build something amazing together. You build the main stage, providing the core infrastructure and the initial vision, but everyone's invited to set up their own tents, creating a diverse and dynamic landscape of offerings. It's about empowering others to participate and contribute their unique talents. You create a platform like Android, a foundation upon which countless possibilities can be realized, and let others build on it, fostering a community of developers and innovators who can expand the platform's capabilities in ways you never imagined. The result? Rapid innovation and endless ideas from developers worldwide. This collaborative environment fuels creativity and accelerates the pace of progress. Customers get a huge variety, a vast selection of options tailored to their specific needs and preferences. Think Google Play's endless app choices, a testament to the power of an open ecosystem to provide unparalleled choice and customization. Open systems grow fast, attracting users and developers alike with their flexibility and potential. More users attract more developers, creating a powerful network effect where the value of the platform increases exponentially as more participants join. Linux is a prime example, a testament to the power of open source collaboration. Built by a global community, it powers much of the internet, demonstrating the scale and impact that can be achieved through open collaboration. But openness brings chaos, a certain level of unpredictability, and lack of centralized control. Quality varies, and you lose some control as you rely on the community to self-regulate and maintain standards. For every great app, there are plenty of duds, highlighting the challenge of maintaining consistent quality in an open environment. Competitors can even use your platform against you, leveraging your infrastructure to build competing products or services. That's the trade-off for explosive growth and creativity, a calculated risk that many organizations are willing to take in pursuit of innovation and market leadership. Now, the closed ecosystem. Think exclusive resort where the company controls everything. Apple is the classic example. They design the hardware, software, and app store for a seamless, premium experience. This control means high quality, strong brand identity, and big profits. Customers know exactly what they're getting, and Apple sets the price. But it's limiting. Users can't customize much, and innovation depends on Apple's own teams. You're locked into their world, using their apps and accessories. It's a polished experience, but not for those who crave freedom or variety. The price of perfection is less choice. So you're at a crossroads. Decisions. Which road do you take? The path to the left or the path to the right? It's a pivotal moment, and the choice you make now will shape the future of your business. There's no universal answer, no magic formula that guarantees success for everyone. What works for one company might be a complete disaster for another. The business world is a diverse landscape filled with different strategies and approaches. Your industry matters significantly. Cloud computing, for example, thrives on openness, collaboration, and shared resources. The very nature of cloud services demands a certain level of transparency and interoperability. While other sectors, particularly those dealing with sensitive data or regulated industries, may need a high degree of control, security, and oversight. Think of highly regulated industries like finance or healthcare. Know your customers intimately. Understand their needs, their desires, and their expectations. Do they crave endless options, a vast array of choices to satisfy their every whim? Or do they value simplicity and reliability above all else? Are they looking for a straightforward solution that gets the job done without any unnecessary bells and whistles? Play to your strengths. Identify what you do exceptionally well and leverage those capabilities to their fullest potential. Are you great at building communities, fostering connections, and creating a sense of belonging? Or are you masters of crafting flawless products, meticulously designed and engineered to perfection? Focus on what sets you apart. The car industry beautifully illustrates how different approaches can coexist and thrive. It shows both paths. Android Automotive, for instance, lets car makers focus on what they do best, building cars, while Google handles the complexities of software integration and updates. But Tesla takes a completely different approach, controlling virtually everything, from the design and manufacturing of the car to the charging infrastructure and customer experience. Both models succeed, but they cater to different customer segments with different priorities and expectations. The key is aligning your approach with your target market and honestly assessing your own capabilities. Understand what you're good at and what you're not. Don't blindly copy what others are doing. Instead, carefully choose the path that best fits your unique business, your values, and your long-term goals. The right ecosystem isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. It's the one that empowers you to thrive and achieve your specific objectives. It's the one that works for you and only you. The smartest companies blend open and closed, hybrid ecosystems. Microsoft kept Windows open for hardware, but locked down the source code. LinkedIn offers open APIs but controls the core experience. Even Apple allows select partners through HealthKit and HomeKit, balancing control with innovation. It's about building walls where it matters and opening gates where it helps. The best leaders stay flexible, adapting as markets and customers change. Don't pick a lane and stick forever. Adjust your strategy as you go. That's how you win the race.